So this is ripe cabbage juice. Powder, what you do is you use a mandolin slicer. This is a whole head of red cabbage right here. It costs about $2 a head. And what I did is I put it in slice it up with a mandolin slicer, and dehydrate it at 131 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 hours. And as you can see, when you do a mandolin slice, you get a very thin wedge. And it breaks up really nice. So I'm just going to break it up by hand first. And the idea is that red cabbage juice is an acid and base indicator. And you can actually use this powder straight in to do home kitchen experiments or science classroom experiments. And a whole head will actually fill up a whole jar and be perfect for pretty much a whole class in science experiments. So you can do lots of things with it, and I'll show you some pictures of how it reacts with different acids and bases that you can do at home. Keep blending until you get it into a fine powder. So here's I'm mixing fine and coarse right now, so you want this down to as fine a powder as possible. So when you're done, you'll get a fine powder like this. Finer the better. And I'm just going to go ahead and store it in a mason jar. This generally keeps for about 3 to 6 months, as long as it's completely dry. So you could use this for experiments or set it up when you get cabbage on sale at like a farmer's market, and then use it later on to get to do your science experiments. You could also mix it in drinks or something else.